San Jose, it took a lot of self-control for me not to say anything after that performance that you put on against Kansas City on Saturday, this past Saturday. But you know what, San Jose? You get a pass for that one. You took an opponent that you thought was below you for granted. You took an opponent that was below you for granted. And you learned a lesson to never take any opponent for granted. You're still a young team. This is the new era of San Jose Earthquakes football. So you basically just learned a valuable lesson. But don't you dare let it happen again, San Jose. You know, San Jose, the reason why a lot of fans are worried after that loss against Kansas City, fans fear that this will start a losing streak. Because back in 2022, in 2021, it was matches like that started 3-game, 4-game, 5-game losing streaks. Losing streaks that caused you to drop straight down to the bottom of the Western Conference. It was always games like that in the past. So fans fear that the same bad habits that you had in 2022 and 2021 will come again. But San Jose Earthquakes, I'm telling you right now, this is the worst time for you or any MLS team to go on a losing streak. This month, from here on out, is not the time for losing streaks. You had enough time in March to go on as many losing streaks as you wanted. You had enough time in April to go on as many losing streaks as you wanted. This is not the time for losing streak, San Jose Earthquakes. That's why you got to come out tonight and show us that loss to Kansas City was just you underestimating an opponent. That's all it was. You got to make it look like that last match against Kansas City was just like a fluke or whatever. You just didn't show up. Here's another thing, San Jose Earthquakes. You got a new contender for that top 3 seed in the West. And that's Houston. The Houston Dynamo has come out of nowhere. And they're on fire now. I don't know who lit the fire upon them, but they're on fire now. And things could possibly go Houston's way tonight, where if they win and Salt Lake either draws or loses to Portland, Houston can have that top 3 seed by tonight, by midnight, headed into Labor Day weekend. Houston can be a top 3 seed in the West. So that adds even more pressure on you, San Jose, to perform. San Jose Earthquakes, but you should be used to the pressure by now. Because I told you, this season we are putting the pressure on you all season long. You're in danger of losing the Bay. There's a reason why I keep talking about the Oakland Roots. The Oakland Roots are coming. And the Oakland Roots, they're a consistent playoff contender in the USL Championship. Oakland Roots have taken fans that used to be San Jose Earthquake fans. They converted San Jose Earthquake fans into Oakland Roots fans. And the city of San Francisco is thinking about doing the same thing. That is one of many reasons why the pressure is on you. Not only this year, San Jose. I hope you don't think that once this season ends, the pressure ends. Oh, no, no, no. The pressure is on for this entire decade, San Jose Earthquakes. You need to use this year and this season to bring the championship nostalgia back. Why? Because in this new Apple TV playoff experience doesn't matter. You do not need playoff experience to succeed. Because this is a brand new format that none of us have experienced before. Players, coaches, fans, viewers. We have never witnessed this type of playoff in MLS before. That's why this year is a great opportunity for you to bring back that 03 championship nostalgia. Let's get it started tonight in the Cali Classico season finale, San Jose Earthquakes. So the message for you tonight. So the message for you this morning, San Jose Earthquakes, is to finish the race. Finish the race. Remember your first matchup against LAFC back in May? I told you it was go time. Now you're on the final leg of the 4x400 meter race. You're on that last 100. You just passed through the curve. Now you're on that last 100 meter. From tonight in the Cali Classico season finale, all the way to decision day, San Jose. This is the final stretch. Finish the race. That means we don't want to see that San Jose Earthquake team that took Sporting Kansas City for granted and ended up getting beaten really badly. We don't want to see that no more. You get a pass for that. Starting tonight, let's show the world, let's show the nation the real San Jose Earthquakes. And you go out there and you finish the race. From tonight all the way to October 21st, decision day. Finish the race, San Jose Earthquakes.